Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to use a Namecheap domain with WordPress on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account, then go to Websites. Now click on this Add Website button. Here, select Installing WordPress, then click on Continue. Here, choose a site title. You can skip it but in my case I will call it my Namecheap domain. Click on Continue. Now fill in the Namecheap domain that you want to connect to WordPress on Bluehost. In my case, this is it, called simplesiteschool.com. Click on Continue. Here you can activate some SEO tools. I don't like them, so I will skip this step. Same thing for this e-commerce plugins. I don't want them, so I will skip it. And they are now installing WordPress for me. As you see, WordPress is installed, and the site is still using a temporary domain until my Namecheap domain is pointed at Bluehost. If this is a new domain name, it may take a few hours to finish setting up. Click on Login to WordPress, or since it still uses a temporary domain, I don't want to log in, so I will close this window like that. Now that Bluehost knows about my Namecheap domain, let's do the opposite, which is go to Namecheap and let them know that my WordPress website is hosted on Bluehost. How to do this? It's simple. Click on Finish Setup and you will jump directly to the Domains tab. Click here. As you see, this is your temporary domain name and this is your Namecheap. Next to your Namecheap domain, click on Finish Set Connection again. And you will get something called name servers. Those are the current one that are connected to my Namecheap domain. I need to remove them and add the ones, or these two ones, from Bluehost. So now click on copy next to the first name server like that. Copy it. Then log in to your Namecheap account where your domain name is registered. Then go to the domains list, and next to your domain name, click on Manage and scroll down to Name Servers. Here select Custom DNS instead of Namecheap Basic DNS or something else. Make sure to select Custom first to be able to delete the current name servers like that. Then paste the ones from Bluehost. Let's do the same thing with the second name server. And click on this little green check mark like that to save this change. As you see, DNS server update may take up to 48 hours to take effect. This means that even though we added our Bluehost name servers to Namecheap to let them know about where my WordPress hosting is, where my WordPress website is hosted, this process is not instant. So you need to wait a little bit of time, up to 48 hours. Now we can close this window like that and go back to Bluehost and let them know that you completed the connection they asked for. Click on Verify Connection. And as you see, correct DNS. DNS means domain name server. Correct DNS records detected, waiting for DNS to propagate. To propagate means to fully take effect. Click on Save Changes. And now pending site URL. Let's give my Namecheap domain a visit. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Let's give my Namecheap domain a visit. Now that my Namecheap domain is fully connected to my WordPress site on Bluehost, let's go back to my Bluehost account, then jump to the overview. As you see, the SSL certificate is still in the installation, is still in progress. Now let's try to access my WordPress site using the HTTPS to see if it works. As you see, I have an error with the certification. This error means my SSL certificate is not fully completely installed. To make this process of SSL installation a little bit quicker, I think I can help it by logging to the cPanel. From here, click on hosting, then click on cPanel. Then scroll down to security, this is it, and click on SSL TLS. Now below install and manage SSL for your site, click on manage SSL sites. Here select your Namecheap domain from the list. This is it, simple site school. Click on autofill by domain and click on install certificate. The SSL certificate was already installed. Click on OK. Now let's refresh this page. And as you see, now my website, my WordPress site, started being accessible with the HTTPS. Now let's see how to log in to my WordPress dashboard. Now, so go back to the Bluehost account, go back to the website's page, and next to your Namecheap domain, click on WordPress admin. Here you can go with site creator or import an existing WordPress site. Click on site creator, fill in your site type and also the language of your WordPress, then your site title, for example, Namecheap domain site. For describe your site, this is my Namecheap domain site. Click on next. Here you can upload your logo or skip it like that. Now pick your WordPress site design. Pick any one. You can for sure you can edit it later. Click on this one, for example. After that, click on save and publish and wait a moment. And congrats, you're officially inside your WordPress website dashboard. The first thing I recommend you to do is to go to users, then click on profile. This way you can know the username required to log in back to this dashboard, to this WordPress dashboard, and also set a new password to be able to log in. So click on set new password, delete this default password, fill in your WordPress, fill in a new password here, and then click on update profile. So next you can simply use your Namecheap domain or write it like that, then add /wp-admin. Click on enter, fill in your username, password, and hit login. This is how to log in manually to your WordPress dashboard. And this is how to use a Namecheap domain with WordPress on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.